How to recover permanently deleted data from Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do that. So what I'm going to do is first go to Google Chrome and then simply click on the search bar and then search for Drive. Once you get here, you should be able to see your drive right here. So let me just go ahead and delete this folder called video. I've got a few videos here, so let me just go back and then I'm going to delete this video folder. Click on move to trash, then I'm going to head to my trash and then delete it forever. Now, once you've deleted your folder, there is no way you can access it from your drive. So what you're going to have to do is open up a new tab, or you could just go to support from here and then go to help. Now this pop-up will appear on your screen. Now simply search for recover deleted files in Google Drive. And then from here, you can start or request your recovery from here, but make sure to select Android, iPhone, or iPad. So I'm just going to select computer, click on request file recovery, and a new tab will appear on your screen. Now simply go ahead and enter the password for your account. And once you've entered your password, these are the recovery steps you're going to have to take. So the first thing you can do is check your trash, but if you are able to find the recovered files, you can just restore it from there. I'm just going to click on no and then continue. Now you're going to have to verify your identity. Now click on request file recovery. And you're going to have to check your email after a few hours to see if the files have been recovered or not. Now if I go back and then go to my drive, after a certain time, the videos folder should be back right here. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.